In today's video, I'm going to show you how I am making my version of a biltong. It's not necessarily, some people might criticize me, sorry for saying that I call this a biltong, because it's not quite a biltong, but this is my version, which you can create at home very easily and very simply and very inexpensively with your home dehydrator. So all we need, guys, is to have some sort of meat. I like to have a braising steak, and I picked it up on the deal. I like to have a little bit of the fat in there, so when the dehydrator gives it a little bit of the chewiness when it's ready. I've got a selection of basically mustard seeds. I have a malt vinegar. I have the Leo Parents Worcestershire sauce. I have a Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce. Again, you can use any barbecue sauce, but I found this is very nice, very smoky, and basically it works for me really well. We also have some crushed black peppercorns, and we have some garlic powder, and of course my trusty dehydrator. So before we begin, I do suggest you guys, because when I dehydrate the meat, I actually cut it in small pieces first and then coat it in all the ingredients, which we'll do later. But basically, if you put your meat in the freezer for a little while first, it firms up a little bit. So that means you can actually slice your meat nice and thinly. Up against when you do a biltong, when you hang the piece of meat, you basically marinate it first and then you cut it after it's been hanging for a little while. But this is my option, and it works really well for me, as I said. So basically, let's begin. Okay, so we are ready for my frozen meat. Basically, what I'm trying to do is to try and cut them as thin as possible. But basically, it looks like we have, I don't know, 4 millimeters thick. It's still very cold and very frozen, but you can see that it's very easy for me to cut that through. If we cut this, or try to cut this when the meat is raw, it's not going to work really well. You're never going to get the uniform slices. So let me continue. Okay guys, so I've cut all the meat up, so now it's time for a marinade. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take a tablespoon of a garlic powder. I'm going to take probably half a tablespoon of a black cracked pepper. Okay, I've got 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds. There's a mixture of their crushed over normal ones. I've got Leo Parents. I'm going to give it a good few glugs. I probably would say maybe about 50 ml. Okay, I'm going to give it a tiny little droplet of a vinegar, and I'm going to give it a nice big dollop of a barbecue sauce. Okay, what we're going to do now is to give it a good mix in. Don't forget to give it a try. You can always adjust and add on stuff to your taste. Don't forget, because when the stuff dehydrates, the flavor does intensify more. And there we are. This is as simple as that. Yummy. So let's marinate the meat. So our meat has been cut and marinade is made. So what I'm going to do is just to basically, no brainer, just put this in. It'll probably be easier to do this the other way around. Oh, they smell so good. It's absolutely yummy. Okay, so excuse me, I'm just going to use my hand. My hands are clean. Give it a good rubbing, so it's all coated, every single piece of the meat. Okay, and now we're going to cover it up and set it aside for about 2 hours before putting in our dehydrator. Alright guys, a couple hours have passed. I've started laying out my meat, on the tray to dehydrate. I'm going to put the oven on for 60 degrees for about 6 to 8 hours. Don't forget, you can check it yourself in about 6 hours. You can give it a taste and see if you're happy with the texture, then it's done. If you wanted to leave it for more, then obviously continue, but otherwise it's literally as simple as that. So I shall finish the tray and I will see you in about 6 to 8 hours. This is the finished product. You can see, guys, they have shrunk quite a lot, but they taste amazing. Yum, yum. So there we are. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video and really liked the recipe. Don't forget, if you got any comments or suggestions, please comment below. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and we'll see you very soon. Bye bye.